are docked at CocoCay. Oh, cleaning things in the way, but there it is. Getting off the boat shortly. This is, if I can get it to work, grandeur of the seas. There is Star of the Seas. So massive.
Oh, that's a good comparison, actually. I have to use my fish eye to get them both in.
Like that. We're gonna hideaway first. Alright.
To the right?
Hideaway that way. Yeah, you can see the. So we have to go. Oh, such a ship.
That's a good view. Watch your step.
That's unbelievable. It's really the first time we've seen it docked. You can't get a good view.
Awesome. Look at the like bar in the middle. What a view. On top of.
What's this called? Hideaway
Beach Club.
Hideaway Beach Club. Hideaway bar and hideaway food.
Hideaway cabanas. Hideaway.
Cabanas.
The adults only section on CocoCay. You're really
The
close
adults only section.
I was looking at the beach bar.
Oh, look at that. They got like a beer pong table.
Oh, they're totally playing beer pong. Oh, and ping pong. So fun. What is that?
Coconut mojito. Hard to beat that. It's like a legit swim up bar, huh? It didn't work out, did it?
No.
There you go, not a girl. That's how they get supplies back and forth. Cheers.
not as deep as you think.
Swimming bar was cool.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Mission Apparel would like to sponsor this YouTube channel. We have a sponsorship open. It is cool.
This seems so empty.
Yeah, it does. Pretty. Well, that is amazing. Grandeur of the Seas.
Yes.
That is currently the oldest and smallest of Royal Caribbean's fleet. And behind it, of course, is Star of the Seas, which is the newest and largest ship for Royal Caribbean. Well, actually, for the world.
Yeah, it's the world's largest.
For the world, for cruising, yeah. And we were walking over here. I was like, oh, it looks like the Granger's got a dome on front. And I was like, oh, never mind. That's actually Star of the Seas dome. But it is crazy to see the size difference. It's really crazy when you get behind and see it.
Let's go show them.
We'll go that way. Check this out. This place is dead. Did Hideaway at the beginning, which was cool. The infinity pool is really awesome, and the swim up bar. South Beach, we went over to the floating bar. That was pretty cool.
The Hideaway Beach Club is extra. They need to know that. You have to pay extra to get in the Hideaway Beach Club.
Yep, Hideaway.
It's adults only.
Hideaways only, and it's a little bit extra. But it was what, $30 on sale, something like that per person.
We got it for cheap.
Um,
But this place is dead today.
It is dead, and I think a lot of people on Star have sailed before, and CocoCay is probably not that big of a deal for them.
Yeah.
And then Granger's just really small. But yeah, the island is very light. But it was still fun.
It was fun. We had a good day. We had a perfect day at CocoCay.
Oh, a perfect day at CocoCay. A little bit of overcast, some breeze. Crazy.
Beautiful.
The infinity pool up there.
Yeah. I want to see that Hideaway as well.
Ooh, what we got here?
Oh, looks like an elephant. He does a good job.
He does do a good job.
Show more swans from yesterday.
Swans from yesterday.
Fun.
Woo, glad to be back in our room. It's hot out there.
AC. 1996.
I do like that though. That's cool.
Yeah, that was cool.
They also had, I saw back there, it was like the solarium. It looked like it had one of those movable tops. But, I don't know, I think the microphone's gonna pick it up here. It's probably pretty rare that you can be docked to next to another ship and see clear over it like we can. So hopefully that's coming across. That's pretty cool. What island was that?
I think over there, not Great Stirrup Cay.
Great Stirrup Cay.
Yeah, that's for Norwegian.
Yeah, I remember something like that. There's CocoCay.
like a medium like intensity, and then the green one is storm surge, and it is more intense.
And it goes up that thing right there.
Yeah, so
which is really cool.
It was super fun because I started down backwards because Matt didn't want to go backwards again, and we switched. We got up there, and then he went down the hard part backwards. So
yeah. It's pretty cool, and it's even better views than this if you go up there. So
10 out of 10. So awesome.
It's a really big flag.
And this is the bubble place? I love that it has a light in it too. Oh! You got...
No, it's so cool.
That's so cool. Ah! Catch your bubble. It's so cool. I've had more alcohol this week than I think I've had all year.
Thanks for being on camera.